What's up, guys? So today I just kind of wanted to make a video to let you guys know what's been going on with the backpack project. So far we've reached 14 backpacks, and I've been going all the way back since I've started uploading videos to YouTube and using those likes as well and incorporating them into the backpack challenge or the likes challenge. So we're up to 14 backpacks, and also I've started a GoFundMe page for this project so that we can reach our goal even faster, and I'll leave the link to it down below if you want to just donate $1 to it. And I've decided, I found a set that I can buy of backpacks, and it's $5 per backpack, and it comes in a box of 24 backpacks, and there's 8 variations. And I'll pull that image up and put it in the video somewhere. It'll be somewhere around in here. And that way I can actually get a case of backpacks at a time, and that way I won't have to go out, and if I run out of backpacks in the store that I could get, I can just order those online. And also they sell school supplies online, but I was thinking that I could probably go somewhere that sells them pretty cheap for pens and pencils and stuff like that and paper. But I was also looking at the kits online because they come with kind of preschool kits or kindergarten kits all the way up till high school kits, and they kind of come with the appropriate materials for that age group. So I just wanted to fill you guys in. We're up to 14 out of 200, and like I was saying, if we don't reach our 200 mark by the beginning of July, then I'll match whatever's left over. So if we make it to 100, I'll match 100 backpacks. So I wanted to check in with you guys and let you know, and it's still going on. I just recently created a Twitter. It's at IamCody_Cunning, CUNNING, and it's the same as my Instagram account, and I'll be changing that on most of my videos because I've been kind of switching around my Instagram account names. But this one I'm going to keep. And I've also been working on a new intro and outro for the videos, and I'm still getting used to using After Effects and stuff like that, so just bear with it until it's completely done, but it'll be at the beginning of this video and at the end of the video. So I hope you guys are having a great day or night, and I'll be checking back in with you guys over social media and letting you guys know what's going on. I've been working on a few soap videos and other things to upload on to my channel, so hopefully you guys like them, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.